Good morning, everyone. We are from Double E Group.
My name is Giovanni.
And my name is Nikita. And today we would like to talk about a very important topic, what it means to be oneself.
We often hear the phrase, just be yourself. But what does it actually mean? Based on our study material, we have found 4 main points to share with you today. Now, let's start by looking at the basic definition of this concept. First, what is authenticity? Authenticity is the alignment between our inner personality and our external life. This means that our values, beliefs, and emotions should match how we act in our daily life. Because when we are authentic, our true self is reflected in our action. Now, we know what it is. And why is it so important for us? Being true to ourselves is essential for our psychological well-being. And according to the article, authenticity helps us achieve emotional stability. Conversely, if we are not being authentic, it can lead us to negative feelings such as depression or stress. So, being authentic makes us happier and healthier. Next, let's see how this feeling starts when we are younger. Now we look at authenticity in primary school children. For younger kids, being oneself is usually a simple and individual experience. They often feel like their true self when they are alone or when they can play freely. At this age, authenticity means being free from school rules or adult expectations. And, however, as we grow older, like us right now, the meaning of authenticity changes. For teenagers, authenticity becomes more social. It is not just being alone anymore, but it's about having the courage to maintain our principle and belief even when we are with our friend. For us, being authentic means keeping our character while being part of the social group. Now that we understand the importance of being oneself, the next step is believing in ourselves. And this connects to our next topic. I know I can do it. Because when we truly know who we are, it can make us be more confident in what we can achieve. Please welcome Nikita.
Self-efficacy is part of social cognitive theory. It means a person believes they can do a task if self-efficacy is high. The person feels more confident to success. People with high self-efficacy will try harder when they facing problems. So self-efficacy is help people become more successful in their life and work. Self-efficacy also affects how people respond to situations. People with high confidence give up more easily. Self-efficacy has three main parts: magnitude, how hard a task is; strength, how strong they believe is; and generality, how wide they believe can be used in different situations.
Before we move to the next unit explanation, have you ever wondered what the phrase practice makes perfect actually means? Today, we want to tell you about something cool. A friend of ours shared a very interesting article with us about this topic. And we have learned that there is a secret to make our practice work even better. Now, let us share the 4 main points with you. But before we dive in, let's look at the meaning behind practice makes perfect. So, practice makes perfect is a proverb which suggests that if we do an activity regularly and repeatedly, we will eventually become very good at it. And it emphasizes that skill comes from dedication and repetition rather than just talent alone. First, the article says that the more we practice, the better we become. When we do a task many times, our brain gets used to it and we can work much faster. And it's the simplest way to improve our skill. But practice is not just about doing it over and over again. It also depends on our feelings.
Second, we learn much better when we like what we are doing. The study found that if we enjoy a task, our progress is much faster. So if we want to be experts, we should try to be find joy in our practice. Are you still listening? Another interesting thing is about how things look. Third, things that look good or appealing are easier for our brains to process when we use attractive materials. Our eyes and brain work together more easily. It transforms a boring task into an exciting activity that we actually look forward to. This is very helpful, especially when the lesson is hard. Lastly, beauty helps in difficult tasks when we face complicated problems. A good and attractive design helps you focus better. It makes a hard job feel easier to understand and finish successfully. To conclude, everything starts when you embrace yourself. By being authentic, you build the confidence to say, I can do this. And with joyful practice, you turn that belief into mastery. Embracing yourself means accepting who you are today while having the courage to grow for tomorrow. Thank you for attention and remember always be true to you. Ta-da!
Goodbye.